Gingerbread bot. Wait, I only have 12? Ah. Could be a problem, actually. Can I even do? Just beat him. I just have to beat him to finish the game, bro. Kill silverfish. I crafted them all. What an idiot. I actually crafted all of my blaze rods. Stupid. That's actually major throw. Actually insanely major throw. I needed to make a lingering potion. What? How? Only for genius. That's tough. Infested potion. That's only for genius. Infested potion only for genius. Yeah. I like that. It's a good play. That's a really cool play. 9/11. My players beat the game back to spawn with my lingering potion bottle because I have a brewing stand at spawn. I also have the amethyst bud at spawn. Unless I can somehow find one here. I know you can get one in trial chambers, but I was hoping either he doesn't know that or he just doesn't get it. 1,700 blocks. Why didn't I just go back through the nether? I have no idea. I don't know why I didn't go back through the nether. That's really stupid of me. In my mind, I didn't have 20 LB, but I do.